Hi everybody, it's Strawberry Hui, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my 2021 BTS Season's Greetings. Okay, so I already took the plastic off because I realized that I wasn't filming. I hate myself. So I realized I wasn't filming, so I just stopped. But yeah, I took the plastic off. I reacted to the cover, which is amazing, and talked about the fact that this thing is so thick. It's huge, and I wish that I had last year's to compare it to, like size-wise, which I do have last year's, but I am moving soon, so I actually packed all of my K-pop stuff already, so I cannot actually give you a comparison at the moment. But yeah, it's really thick, but it's gorgeous. Like, this is, I'm kind of sad because mine is kind of like bent up on the side. I don't know, I can kind of pull it out a little bit, but that kind of stinks. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love this color scheme and these. Yeah, I'm excited. All right. Oh, that is so, wait, this is so cool. It's like a record player. This does open. Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, what is it? Oh, okay. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, some of them are different. Okay, cool. So they're just like round, like almost like photo cards, but they're on like paperboard. And then they have like it looks like a vinyl on the other side. Oh, there's individual ones. Oh, this is very Hobiecore. I need to get in contact with his eyebrow person because, oh, this one's different too. So there's like 3 different or 4 different records. I don't know. Okay, there's several different ones. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is cute. Okay, what's this? It's just like a card, like a postcard, I guess. Or it's like, is it supposed to be like an album cover? That's really cool. Already, just from like the surface, I feel like they've really outdone themselves on this season's greetings. Like, I mean, I don't want to, I'm not saying anything bad about the previous ones, but like this one is so creative. Like, they really upped their game, I think. All right, let's take this off. All right, what do we have here? I'm gonna scoot the box back a little bit. All right. So, okay, is this the desk calendar, I think? Okay. Yeah, all right, cool. So it sits out like this, it looks like. Okay, so there's, oh, is it a calendar? Oh, it's not a calendar. It's just, oh, okay. Here's the calendar. Okay, so I could do whatever picture I want. That's kind of cool. That's neat. So you could flip the calendar, but like have a different picture. Okay. I could change. Oh my lord. Okay, maybe I just need to flip through these. Why do I feel like they're going jellyfishing? Jungkook's tattoos are really prominent there. I love that. His hair is so curly. I've definitely seen this one, I think. It's so cute. Namjoon looks like he's about to like hold me at gunpoint and I will let him. Okay, that's not necessary. Oh my god. I did not see these. That's it? That's all? That's it? Of this concept? That's all you're gonna, that's it? There better be more of these. What the heck? Anyways, this is really cool. I actually have Pentagon's Season's Greetings, so I have their desk calendar too. So I'm gonna, maybe I'll put like one in my kitchen or something and one on my desk. Watch theirs. Oh, what's this? This looks like a magazine. Is it like a little This is cool. Is it like the, I think it's like a photo book, but it looks like a magazine cover. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, I just spot a glimpse of more pictures like that. I need to look up translations of what everything says. I mean, obviously this says BTS, but I don't know what the rest says. So I'm gonna have to look that up. This is cute. 2021 Season's Greetings with ARMY. That's cute. Wow. Wow. Cute. These photos are so cute. Yeah. This is a look. Hopi. Yes. Yes. This is amazing. I have not seen any of these. He looks amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my lord. Oh my god. Now this is a concept. Hello. Look at his little brain. Okay, twins. Okay, what is this now? Are these like outtakes? Like just being cute. Okay. Okay, that's not an outtake. They look amazing. This is cute. I want to sit like all of this stuff out. I'm actually excited because when I move, I am buying like a new shelf. So I'm going to have a lot more shelf space. So I am excited to put this on a shelf. Oh, what's this? What? Oh, is this? This must be the DVD. Cute. It looks like a record. I remember, okay, this is really going to age me. But I remember when Lilo and Stitch came out, and if you bought the CD, like the soundtrack, it looked like a record because, you know, Lilo listens to like the Elvis Presley records. And I thought it was like the coolest thing ever. I'm like, it's a CD, but it looks like a record. Oh, is this a journal? It's a hardback. Last year it was like, I actually do have the journal from last year. Hold on. Okay, this is the journal from last year. So it's like a binder and it has, it's, you know, like a, it's like bendy, which I actually really liked because it's like small and compact, and I will keep this in my purse so that I could like quickly write things down if I needed to and then like transfer into my bullet journal when I got home, or like vice versa. So I did actually like this. This one is going to be a little bit harder to utilize, I think, because like I said, I already use a bullet journal, obviously, so we'll see. It is really nice, though. I mean, I could still put it in my purse. I have a big purse, so. Oh, but it's fancy. Look at this paper. It just feels fancy. Ooh. Ooh, it's nice and large. This is nice. I need to use this. I just feel like, I always say this, I just feel like I never use this stuff because it's like, well, you don't want to mess it up. But it's like, I mean, it is meant to be used. It's not like I can ever use it again because it's only for this year. That's a cute picture. Okay, why is he staring at the camera like that? I need to look up translations. Okay, so this is like weekly stuff. And some grid space. Almost like a bullet journal. That takes my breath away every time. Cute. oh, I can put my own information back here. That's so nice. Is this washi tape? Yes! It is! It's washi tape! Okay, I'm gonna open it. I have the washi tape. Wait. No, there wasn't washi tape last year. Because last year was the first year I bought it, and I was sad because there wasn't washi tape. But I have the washi tape from the year before because my best friend got it and gave it to me. So I have this one, which is from the year before last. And then I have the one from the Army membership. Not the recent one, but the one before last year. Which, you know what? Did we ever get the new kits yet? Where are those? I almost feel bad opening it because it's such cute packaging, but I'm gonna use it, so I have to. Okay, so it's not really washi tape. Oh, well, it is kind of washi tape. It's just like, I don't think it would easily rip. Like, you're gonna have to cut it. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's the extent of the design, it looks like. Well, it's kind of cool. I think, like, it doesn't have, like, their faces on it or anything, but the colors are neat. I feel like it feels very sticky. It almost feels like a sticker, like, instead of a washi tape, if that makes sense. What's this? What is this? I know you guys probably think that I'm like faking surprise, but I really do not know what's in this. I didn't really look when I ordered it. I just wanted it, and I haven't seen anybody else open it. So, what is? It's like a photo card thing. Oh, it's a photo card album. Cute. But I have like a huge album for my photo cards. But that's so cute. Wait a second. Are these photo cards? Oh no, what are these? Oh, they're little tiny pictures. What in the world am I supposed to do with these? They're tiny. They like have both looks on either side. What am I gonna do with these? They're cute, but what the heck? They're like little baby double-sided photo cards almost. That's cute. Okay. Interesting. I don't have any idea what I'm gonna do with these other than put them back in this little pouch for now. Wait. Is this my photo card? Oh my god, did I get Jungkook? Is this my photo card? I thought it was just like a package. Yay! Oh my god. Yay! Oh, that makes me so happy. It's like a photo, like a Fujifilm photo. It even says Fujifilm on the back. What the heck? That's so cool. I pulled Jungkook. Yay! Again, if you're new here, Jungkook and Taeyang are my biases. So that's really exciting. Okay, what's this? So I didn't get the wall calendar, and now I kind of wish that I had, because I had like this little BTS calendar that I hung up at work last year, and now I don't have a calendar anymore, and I feel like I need to get one. They're stickers. Is this a sticker? Oh, these are stickers too. What? Cool, but I'm afraid to use them. Oh, they each like have their, they each have their own. Cute. I need to use these. I'm gonna use them this year, okay? I'm gonna use my stuff. I just feel like it's special, and then it's like hard to get, so it's like I don't want to use it up, and then I like don't have it anymore. But like I do have it because I don't know. You get it. What's this? Are there photo cards in here? This is cute. It looks like a camera. I'm sorry. They're like Polaroids. Oh my god, they're so cute. These literally look like the Polaroids from my camera. So my brother got me a Polaroid camera for Christmas, and this is what it looks like. Which makes sense because I think these are supposed to be like Fujifilm, and that's the brand that I have. But they look exactly the same. That's my cousin, by the way. Cool. These are cool. These are really neat. And the fact that they came in this little camera thing, I'm gonna show this to my mom. She doesn't usually care that much about my merch, but so I don't usually bother to show her. But this one, this concept is so cool. I think that's it, which is sad. It's like opening a Christmas present. These are amazing. This is so fun. So I could put these in here for now. I'm so excited I pulled Jungkook. I can't wait to tell my friends. This is fun. For real, this is so fun. I love this one. They really, really outdid themselves. I think one of my favorite parts is this magazine. Like, I don't know why. It's just a photo book, but it looks like a magazine, and I just really like that. I don't know. I'm just like a sucker for edits like that, I guess. This is really fun. I'm really excited about this. This is cool. Okay, well, this is fun. I'm excited that it finally came and I could open it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and watched me be a loser about the season's greetings, but this is probably my favorite. They really outdid themselves. I'm really excited. I'm gonna really try to utilize some of these things this year. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!